Step 1. Slide the passenger onto the T-bolt and assemble it. Insert the assembled T-bolt into the vehicle's mounting hole. Then place the Z-bracket over the T-bolt. Secure with a nut and tighten firmly, ensuring the bracket fits tightly with the vehicle frame. Repeat this process for all 3 Z-brackets. Step 2. Position the 3 Molle panels as shown in the video. Align their mounting holes. Assemble the gaskets and bolts M5x12. Insert them into the align holes. Tighten securely to connect all 3 panels. Step 3. Following the video, install the rubber damper into the center of the Molle panel. Secure it in place using an M5x12 bolt. Step 4. Insert an M6x16 bolt to the single hole L bracket. Attach it to both sides of the Molle panel using a nut. Ensure the L bracket is oriented correctly as demonstrated in the video. Step 5. Position the front Molle panel. Align the hole below the Z-bracket with a hole above the front Molle panel. Secure them using pre-assembled M6x16 bolts. Step 6. Insert M6x16 bolts into both holes of the hoop. Loop the hoop through the hook. Align the hoop's holes with the front holes of the L bracket. Ensure the bolts pass through both the hoop and the L bracket. Finally, tighten the nut securely. Step 7. Check that all the nuts are securely tightened.